रोल करे भाई और बहनों. It's already rolling.
What?
Very good. So
Guys? Okay, chalo.
okay. Adu, are you awake?
Yes, after
Huh?
this matcha that I've had, I'm a little more awake. But I'm like, you know, my brain is not firing correctly. It's going like, the synapses are going like, twing, 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 not where it's supposed to
You
go.
know, I feel like I know you long enough to say when does it go that way, but then in the comment section, I will only get fucked, okay? They will be like, how dare you be so over-friendly and say that, but they don't know how you behave when the cameras are not rolling, okay? So, I mean, should I even say that? No, probably say what you want to say. Yeah. Anyway, we have chosen the hottest day of the year to apparently do this interview, but even then you will not sweat and I will be doing this throughout the interview.
Acha, can you put that blotting paper away? Stop it.
It's my accessory for today. Doesn't it look glam?
Put it over there. Horrible it is.
I think it looks fab. My makeup
It's
artist.
dyed. Please put it away.
Oh, you mean
And you're
these,
looking great by the
these
way.
also expire?
Oh,
is it?
then look at it.
What do you
Look at
mean?
the state of it. It's looking like like this.
See, someday if I'm famous on eBay, we could sell this.
Elton says all this, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, he'll take some dirty something tissue, then he'll do this, and he'll say, I'll sell this on eBay.
For context, Elton is Aditi Rao Hydari, makeup artist, long time makeup artist and associate. Yeah, so Elton,
Says
Elton, I
this
can
really?
believe.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Yeah. Elton is also the reason why Aditi is obsessed with her brows.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
very true.
If you notice, go look at any picture of Aditi Rao Hydari on the internet for I think the last 8 to 10 years. Everything else she will not put, but eyebrows she will do.
Yeah, correct. You're right.
You're right,
It's yeah. He only says, I've only created this monster.
This eyebrow
Yeah.
monster. She was doing brows before brows were a thing. Now the rest of us also have to do brows.
There be people who stop me in like New York and be like, your brows. That's made me even more like mad.
Do you wake up like before anyone else wakes
You know,
up? And
it's true.
first do
yeah,
your brows.
because I don't like, I won't go and run for my makeup, or if I have to go out, whatever, but I'll be like, brows have to be proper. Always. At all times.
At this point, you know, we will
It's
zoom
a
into her
problem.
brows. That's what we do in edit. We'll zoom into the brows and we'll be like,
Don't put nazar.
don't. Nazar,
Please.
thu. No nazar, no nazar, yeah? How to put nazar? In fact, I never thought I'd have a day when I'd be sitting here and saying that right now we're talking about you becoming an internet sensation because, bro, what is this Gajagamini walk?
That is thanks to
Brain
Sanjay.
not operating. Error in loading. Take 2. Go. Stop it. We're doing an interview. We're trying to be serious.
That
Be
walk
profesh.
that has gone viral, and I'm
Wait, say it again. I
very
won't get it
grateful
only.
for it. Thank you so much. I love the love. I'm very overwhelmed, and I'm like shooketh. But it's thanks to Sanjay Leela Bhansali. It was all his idea.
You think you're going to give me this boring answer.
But it's true.
And you think I'm going to be okay with it.
But it's true.
This answer that you said in 20 interviews that I heard you do
But
right
it's
now.
true. I'm not cooking it up, na. I will tell you the same thing every time.
But I have another way now of
Which is
reverse
what?
engineering it.
What is it?
Just because I can take faida.
What tell?
So I feel like the internet has given you so much love.
It's
So much love for that walk, and women especially been like, oh, she's helped us reclaim our bodies
Yeah.
and whatnot. I feel like you should, hear me out. You should sing something for them as a thank you. See, she sung with A.R. Rahman, so you know she's got confidence to sing.
Confidence to sing. Have you seen? Have you
sorry,
seen
no,
my
no.
face when I'm singing on stage?
Yeah,
Have you
it
seen
looks great.
I look like I'm standing in front of a school and singing.
No,
No?
no.
Oh, okay.
This is also Aditi's best party trick. If you ever meet Aditi Rao Hydari at a party, she's inevitably that person everyone picks to sing at some point.
Seriously.
At least the 2 or 3 times I've gone, you've always been like me to sing. So I feel like now, think about
But
it.
I'm still not, I'll still like hum and haw and be look around and be like somebody else, anybody else.
Nobody else. Only you, man.
Oh, what do you want me to sing?
What is like a thank you song that, or is there a song from Hira Mandi that you'd like to sing for everyone who's like given you so much love? कुछ तो आपको भी देना पड़ेगा ना? सब
I don't know
बोलो.
if I can sing this song very well, but I'll try.
Okay. Guys, silent. She's going to sing. She needs her sur.
सैया हटो जाओ तुम बड़े वो हो. It's a very difficult song. I can't sing it. It's a ठुमरी. Can I sing that other one?
Sing now.
That एक बार देख लीजिए.
Sing. What I want you to do though is I want you to look into that
I
cam, which is your
presume
close up, and say this is like as a thank you for everyone who's given me so much pyar on the internet, and then you sing it. Okay, so then my viral reel is done.
Okay, thank you so much for all the love on the internet for this walk. I will not sing that song. I will sing another song from Hira Mandi. So, एक बार देख ली. I'll do it again.
We'll do it again. Retake, take number 2. Guys, don't drop things. Thanks. Love you all.
I'll take it a little lower. एक बार देख लीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए. I'm too tired to do
सब लोग ताली बजाओ. Everyone, whoever heard that.
I will do it again at the end of it properly without thinking.
But then you might not get this tali again.
No.
Just say.
It'll have to be done again.
Okay, so for once
Later.
more. Okay, so for that, so on
For this?
yeah, for I give
Okay,
gifts.
as long as I get another take.
Yeah, I give gifts to all my guests because I'm like, you know, I should also do corny things, no? So actually, you only see what's in
It's
this. It's a nice bag, but you see what's in it.
So cute.
Okay, it has context, but okay, you see it. Okay, just for everyone watching, this is a bottle of organic ghee. So the last time I met Adu, we were actually shooting in her house, and she just wouldn't stop talking about ghee. We linked the interview here.
And you saw how much ghee I eat.
Yeah. She fed me lots of khana, and she literally couldn't stop talking about how she could bathe in ghee. Everything has to have ghee. So I was like,
Katoris of ghee.
yeah. So that is your first
Thank
ghee.
you. Thank you.
Okay, you can keep it wherever, just don't drop it and break it because they'll not be able to clean it up in time. One of the things that happened to me right after watching Hira Mandi is, right, I just started talking in that accent non-stop.
Right?
Like I would just be like, no, or that language.
Language.
Like, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
हाँ.
आपकी कितनी जिल्लत करेंगे हमारी?
आप हमसे खफा क्यों हैं? आपके ख्याल में क्या है? Or whatever. आपका ख्याल क्या है?
You can't
What
screw
is it?
this up.
I'll do it again. आप हमसे खफा क्यों हैं?
आपने इतनी देर हमको इंतजार करवाया. I don't know what I'm saying.
Deal with it.
Deal with it. But I just feel like did this also happen to you while shooting? Because I think every one of my friends was fed up. Huh? After I watched Hira Mandi, I literally was talking, Hanji, boliye.
But I really like it, yaar. Damn beautiful.
What?
Not Hanji boliye, it's Ji boliye.
जी बोलिए.
जी हाँ.
जाम लेंगे आप.
Jam लेंगे.
And it's also like do a shot every time they say Tawaif or Hira Mandi on the show, okay? Because हर dialogue में वो तो है. But did this happen to you? Would you go back home to
No.
like your fam or Siddharth and just
No,
be like,
but my what is it? Talaffuz is it called? Yeah, it has become better, and my nuktas are a little more proper now.
yeah, for those of
Little
us who
more
don't
proper.
speak Urdu, please translate.
Although my language has become slightly better.
Yeah.
Even then, like when synapses are not firing correctly, it's a problem. But at least what you said, like the way of speaking is better, and there's more clarity, little better.
Yeah.
But I need to like keep at it.
What, this way
So
of
beautiful,
speaking?
yeah, it's lovely.
And how does everyone react? Because you also come from like a very royal family, and I know the language is not the same.
Yeah.
But the tehzeeb and the clothes.
Though
and-
I have to say, my nana, who's Telugu,
Huh.
but he would actually say when I was little, because I used to only speak in English, and he would say, घर में या तो तेलुगु में या उर्दू में या हिंदी में बात कीजिए या हिंदुस्तानी में बात कीजिए, which is a mix.
And he would speak these languages?
Yes, very well, actually.
Nice. So तब से ही आप
And I would, he'd be like, he'd call out to me, Addu, and I'd be like, हाँ, and he would be like, हाँ नहीं, जी हाँ. So all this,
Rubbish.
I promise.
Right now your Nana is sounding like Sanjay Leela Bhansali a bit, okay?
Listen, please, Sanjay sir's teddy bear. My Nana was quite strict.
Is he alive?
No.
Okay, so we can talk about it.
Yeah, it's
I'm like,
fine.
otherwise,
He
Bichara-
was very strict. He was very like if he walked into a room, you'd just want to stand up.
Okay, the other thing I want to talk to you about, and we're going to give you on your next gift, is that the internet was also very confused, and so are we.
So even I'm confused.
Are
I thought
you-
you might have.
Are you
figured this out.
engaged or are
Oh,
you
I'm engaged. Yeah.
married or
I'm engaged.
Where is the other gift? So,
I've had to announce it because to just tell everybody that relax, guys.
so we got you your next gift. You can open it, and we dropped your other gift. Well done,
What are you
guys.
doing? Your synapses are not firing.
My synapses are not firing. I just moved the chair. Sorry.
What is this?
Okay.
Oh, so cute.
Okay, and this is
Also, let me tell you, I thought you were going to ask me about that Gajagamini versus Swan Walk. Like I said, because the connections are not happening.
What
I saw
Gajagam-
this flamingo and I was like, oh, you're asking about a Swan Walk versus a Gajagamini
What is
walk.
Gajagamani versus Swan Walk?
Arey, that walk that you were just talking about, the people
Huh.
are calling it two things. So I thought that this was what this
So
conversation
it's also
was.
called Swan
But
Walk.
This is this. Am I wearing it ulta? God,
Yeah,
what
this
is
says-
Sida, yaar? I'll just wear it here.
It's election season. Why don't you just wear it around your neck, okay? At this rate. And this is from our friends at IGP because I thought maybe the next time you step out in public.
So this you have to wear as a sash, na?
Yeah, it's a sash. Adula, I can't keep getting up.
Actually, don't get up, na? Wait. Where can I put this?
Just keep it on your lap for now.
Okay, fine. Oh,
And
God.
this is from my friends
Yes.
at IGP so that you can clear up all the confusion. Open. How many gifts
I
you got
just
her?
cleared up the confusion. Now listen, I'm gonna now open this politely.
Why tear na?
No, I hate tearing people. See, now this is gonna take time. Cut.
No
Somebody
cut.
tear this, I can't tear.
I'll tear.
I hate tearing.
Here.
Harrowing.
Look like you did it.
Aww.
Turn it around. Show it to the camera.
I love it. I really love this. This is best. I'm literally gonna wear this and do a boomerang.
Engaged. Not married yet. And all the kachara has fallen on the
I know,
floor.
like what is it now? I have to get off my high horse.
But what was his reaction to all of this? And now that you've become the internet's darling and this your
Which part of it?
to the Gajagamani walk, to the fact that all the men are now obsessing, women are obsessing as well.
He's damn happy, yeah. I mean, he watched Hira Mandi and was like, I found him in a pool of tears.
But is he a boy who cries?
Yeah,
I like
of
this. I
course.
mean, I saw this in a few
Absolutely.
interviews. I saw that you said he cried after watching.
Absolutely, yeah.
I like that because I feel
Yeah.
like that's such a rare trait in men
I mean,
to
it's
cry.
a human emotion. You feel and I think it's a beautiful emotion actually.
The last thing I want to talk about is one of the things that I noticed. I was watching a lot of the interviews that you did with the Hira Mandi team, and I feel like I love the fact that all of you all felt like you were very authentically getting along with each other.
Yeah, that's true.
And I feel like this is like a new generation where now all the women who come together have formed a real bond, right? Like, I mean, do you actually you must be missing them after spending so much time?
I do actually, but I still get to spend time with them.
Why?
Because we all call each other and on a day that we have time, we end up hanging, especially some of us.
Who is the
So
sum
we
of us?
So it's difficult to get Sanjeeta out of her house, but Sona and I end up meeting quite often. I meet Charmin whenever she's around in town. I love the ADs too.
Yeah.
I'm very, very fond of some of them.
And Manisha? I mean,
I love her. But she's most of the time, she's quite often not here.
yeah.
So because she's in Nepal, right? But I love her. Oh my God. And she's very much a part of my growing up dream of wanting to become a heroine.
Which one?
Maniratnam heroine to begin with, then a Sanjay Leela Bhansali heroine.
True.
So Bombay, Khamoshi.
Got it.
Please note I said Khamoshi.
Khamoshi.
Khamoshi. Gentler.
Khamoshi.
Khamoshi.
Khamoshi. Fuck, am I going to get trolled for this? Okay, last question. Speaking of trolling, and I know you've been asked this like 100 times over, but Alamzeb trolling.
I don't even want to get into that because unnecessarily giving more, dignifying something that shouldn't be dignified. You know, like, I think I'll say generally, like, I think criticism from the right places is very important, but otherwise it's just noise, right? And also, I feel like in certain instances, and especially with films, etc., I think like everybody, works super hard to make a film together or do a piece of work together, and I think we just stick by each other through it.
Okay, what I'm saying is we're going to create the Hira Mandi mocktail, no alcohol. Okay?
Mocktail.
So what I thought would be cool is that all of your characters have a little
That's
juju,
cute.
right? So I thought we'd name the character, we'd pick an ingredient, and we'd put it all together, and at the end of it, we'd taste it, and we'd see whether we've come up with something really good or really trash.
Okay, fine, done.
Huh? Okay, so first, whose character should we go with?
Malika Jan, Ammi Jan, Huzur.
Huzur. Huzur is?
Pure Mirchi is Ammi Jan. Who is Malika Jan? Who is Huzur?
Huzur. Okay.
Okay.
So I have to also put one. Okay. यार इसने मिर्ची से ही शुरू कर दी. You know I don't have tolerance for mirchi. You might be the Hyderabadi. I'm not Hyderabadi. I'm.
Then this with a tail like a sting is Paridan.
But there are like 10 other ingredients.
I want to put mirchi, na? This is. I'm putting the mirchi.
Okay, I thought
Yeah.
I'm going to use Tabasco sauce. So you put more mirchi.
Yeah, with the tail.
I'm putting a little bit of Tabasco sauce.
I'm
Isn't
making a mess.
Huh.
Which is giving me like allergy.
So in case you don't know, you want to tell them, Aditi,
No.
how you get when people make a mess around you?
Harassed.
And then what do you do? Clean. You don't clean.
Delegate.
Delegate. Love that. Okay. Next we should do
This
Alamzeb.
is Alamzeb.
Alamzeb. I know what I'm picking for Alamzeb. You pick.
Ice.
Oh, why ice?
Because that's like it's water and water flows and ice and something.
Okay. All right. I'm
What are
going
you
to
putting?
take elderflower syrup because I think she was sweet. So I'm going to take this much. Is that?
I need some more ice. Huh? What is this? Orange bitters for Wahida.
Yeah. Very bitter character. Okay. So should I also put?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. I think I should also take some ice just because it's looking really weird.
Next is Lajjo.
I think she got a very raw deal.
Thought of
And I
this,
feel
you
like
know?
if
when
you
life gives you lemons, you make lemonade.
fucking make lemonade like Beyonce.
Nothing came out of this only.
Here.
Please.
Your
Is there
kacha
any
limbu.
like nimbu syrup here? This is lime? Oh, fantastic.
Put some in mine
So this
also.
is Lajjo. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade.
I really like Tajdar. I really like Tahasha on the show. Lots of lots of
Mint
mint.
and basil?
What was
Then-
your sahib called?
Valisa.
Wali Sahib. Fardeen Khan ke liye kya? What is an ingredient for someone who is like a rang badlu girgit? Like,
He is not a rang badlu.
but party badalta hai.
What about an orange? Because sweet, but sometimes a little like
Ginger?
you're putting ginger.
Yeah,
I'm putting
because
orange.
you need him for sustenance, but it's not really great when you just chew into it. Okay.
I'll put the orange. Love your philosophy.
It's a ganda. Okay. Lastly,
Bipujan.
Bibbojan.
Bipujan.
Wait, okay.
is a flower. Does anybody want to be salt? Because I need
Who's
a little
salty on
salt
the
in
show?
Oh,
Ustad! Alright.
That is for Sanjay sir, bubbling with ideas and making it all happen.
Wow. She came up with it on the spot. Let's do it professionally.
What is this? What have we made?
Okay. I have no idea what this is going to taste like. Okay, but Aditi, to becoming a viral sensation and all your success and being engaged, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, let's taste.
Tudu? That's actually really good. Mine's fab. I promise it's good. It's really good. I told you to do what I was doing. Do your own thing. That's why I'm
Show
in
me,
Hira
show.
Mandi and you're not.
I was not acting for Hira Mandi. What the fuck? Can I taste?
Oh my god, it's damn good.
No.
Excuse me?
No. Try mine.
Please, I prefer mine.
She's just being salty. Okay? Just want to say mine was better.
No, mine's better.
Where's Ritik?
Stop
Ritik,
it.
come in here. This is the Bibbo Jan special at
No.
Gigi's.
This
Okay,
is the
fine.
Bibbo Jan.
This is Janice dedicates to Bibbo Jan special. Fuck, that's such a bad name. Wait, give me a good name. Janice's Bibbo Jan drink. Try it. At Gigi.
He has no choice. Dick, I'm telling you.
Okay,
you saw
yeah.
your nose ring and complimented.
Yeah, yeah. Now try
This is
Bibbo Jan's
Aditi's-
actual drink.
This is Bibbo Jan's Bibbo Jan drink.
Wow.
Both are good.
Please go away. Umpire, out. Out. Out.
Very
Okay,
bad.
Very, very bad. At least he said both are good instead of saying both are trash. Which I actually think kind of they are. Let's be honest. Like, we
No,
wouldn't serve
I
this.
really excuse. I liked mine, bhai. I don't know now.
I think
I
let's
don't
just take
want
our
any more,
drinks
though.
and go. Say bye.
Bye.
Take your drink at least. We made it with so much effort. Cheers.